Welcome to the exciting holidays. Whether you're looking for adventure or just want to relax on November 9th and 10th, there's a celebration for everyone. Remember to send happy thoughts to those celebrating birthdays or other important events on these special days. World Freedom Day. World Freedom Day is an observance in the United States that takes place on November 9th each year. It commemorates the fall of the Berlin Wall on November 9, 1989, and the end of communist rule in Central and Eastern Europe. The day was declared by a proclamation made by then-President George W. Bush in 2001. The proclamation was made to honor the defining moment in the Cold War when the Berlin Wall fell, symbolizing the beginning of the end of communist rule in Eastern Europe and the eventual collapse of the Soviet Union. The purpose of World Freedom Day is to celebrate the freedoms we enjoy and to recognize the significance of that historic event in bringing liberty and democracy to millions of people. However, while it is an observance in the United States, it's worth noting that this isn't a federal holiday, so businesses, schools, and government offices remain open. Activities on this day may include ceremonies, educational events, and gatherings that highlight and celebrate freedom and democracy. National Louisiana Day. National Louisiana Day, celebrated on November 9th, pays tribute to the state of Louisiana, acknowledging its distinctive contributions to the cultural and historical tapestry of the United States. Louisiana stands out not only for its unique political subdivisions, termed parishes, but also for its vibrant blend of French, African, Spanish, and Creole influences that have shaped its music, cuisine, and traditions. This day offers an opportunity to delve into Louisiana's rich heritage, from the lively streets of New Orleans, known worldwide for its jazz music and Mardi Gras festivities, to the serene bayous teeming with wildlife. Renowned for its culinary delights like gumbo, jambalaya, and beignets, Louisiana's cultural significance extends beyond its borders, offering a flavorful taste of its diverse and storied past. National Scrapple Day. National Scrapple Day is celebrated on November 9th. Scrapple, a dish with roots in Pennsylvania Dutch country, is made from pork scraps and trimmings combined with cornmeal, wheat flour, and spices. The mixture is then formed into a semi-solid loaf, sliced, and fried. Historically, scrapple was created as a way to use up the leftover parts of the pig after butchering, embodying the waste not want not ethos of its originators. For many in the mid-Atlantic states, especially in regions of Pennsylvania and Delaware, scrapple is a beloved breakfast staple. National Scrapple Day provides an opportunity for aficionados to celebrate this unique dish and for the uninitiated to give it a try. Whether enjoyed with maple syrup, ketchup, or just on its own, scrapple is a testament to American culinary ingenuity, transforming humble ingredients into a flavorful treat. Go to an Art Museum Day. Go to an Art Museum Day is celebrated on the first Saturday of November. This day encourages people to take a moment out of their busy lives and immerse themselves in the world of art. Museums around the world offer a treasure trove of creativity, history, culture, and perspective that can provide both education and inspiration to visitors. Visiting an art museum can be a transformative experience. Not only does it provide insight into the artistic expressions and cultural contexts of different periods and civilizations, but it also offers a chance for introspection and personal growth. On Go to an Art Museum Day, individuals are urged to take advantage of this opportunity, whether it means revisiting a favorite local museum or exploring a new one for the first time. It's a day to appreciate the incredible wealth of human creativity and to be reminded of the importance of art in our lives. Marine Corps Birthday. The Marine Corps Birthday is celebrated every year on November 10th. It marks the establishment of the Continental Marines during the American Revolutionary War. The U.S. Marine Corps was founded on November 10, 1775, by the Continental Congress, which issued a decree to raise 2 battalions of Marines. The Marine Corps has since served in every major American conflict, earning a reputation for excellence, discipline, and valor. This day is of great significance to Marines across the globe, both active duty and veterans. To honor their heritage and traditions, Marines typically celebrate with a birthday ball, which includes a formal dinner, cake-cutting ceremony, and the reading of the birthday message from the Commandant of the Marine Corps. The first piece of cake is usually presented to the oldest Marine present, who in turn passes it to the youngest Marine, symbolizing the passing of tradition from one generation to the next. The Marine Corps Birthday serves as a reminder of the proud legacy and commitment of this elite fighting force. International Accounting Day. International Accounting Day is celebrated on November 10th every year. The day recognizes the importance of accounting and the role of accountants in the global economy. The choice of date traces back to the year 1494 when Luca Pacioli, an Italian mathematician and Franciscan friar, published Summa de Arithmetica, Geometria, Proportionae et Proportionalita. This work is significant because it contained a detailed description of the double-entry bookkeeping system, which became the foundation of modern accounting. On International Accounting Day, accounting professionals around the world are celebrated for their contributions to businesses, organizations, and economies. It's a day to acknowledge their dedication, expertise, and the often unseen work they do behind the scenes to ensure financial clarity and compliance. The day also serves as an opportunity for accountants to engage in professional development, network with peers, and reflect on the ongoing changes and challenges in their field. National Vanilla Cupcake Day. National Vanilla Cupcake Day is celebrated on November 10th. It's a day dedicated to appreciating the simple yet delightful flavors of the vanilla cupcake. While there are countless cupcake flavors and varieties available, the vanilla cupcake holds a special place in many hearts as a classic and timeless treat. On National Vanilla Cupcake Day, bakers and dessert enthusiasts might take the opportunity to whip up a batch of their favorite vanilla cupcake recipes, experimenting with different frostings or fillings. It's also a great day for bakeries to offer specials or promotions on their vanilla cupcakes. For those who enjoy baking at home, it's an excellent occasion to gather with friends or family and bake together, celebrating the joys of this sweet dessert. Whether you're a professional baker or someone who simply enjoys a tasty treat, this day is a reminder of the simple pleasures a well-made vanilla cupcake can bring. That's it for today. Enjoy celebrating and have a great time making special memories with these wonderful holidays.